Hi everyone, my name is Lia Winter. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Winter Innovations. We've developed EasyWhip, a patented and FDA-cleared two-part needle that improves stitching in orthopedic surgery. My passion behind Winter Innovations was sparked by personal experiences. I watched my mom undergo ACL reconstruction surgery and then a revision surgery after the first one failed, which really opened my eyes. I saw how tough recovery can be if surgery doesn't go right the first time. And then later during my biomedical engineering studies, I worked on a project where I had to stitch ACL grafts for hours, which helped me see an opportunity to improve current products. Ligament and tendon surgeries like ACL reconstruction and Achilles tendon repair are among the most common orthopedic procedures. More than 1 million of these surgeries are performed in the US each year. But 7.5% fail due to a problem with the graft or the stitching. Stitching is a critical step in these surgeries, but with current products, surgeons are forced to choose between efficiency or security, a problem that contributes to the failure rate. That's where EasyWhip comes in. It's the first and only two-part stitching needle. The needle can be connected to form a suture loop or disconnected for straight suture. This simple innovation unlocks entirely new ways to stitch. By enabling stitching while the tissue is fixed on both ends, EasyWhip reduces motion and improves efficiency. It's been shown to reduce stitching time by 30%. It also enables our proprietary WhipLock stitch, which can only be created with EasyWhip. This new stitch reduces tissue shredding, increases strength, and creates an overall more secure repair, which can help reduce failures. EasyWhip has already been used in over 1,000 surgeries. We're earning revenue and gaining traction with early surgeon adopters across key health systems. We sell EasyWhip to hospitals and surgery centers either direct or through independent distributors. Each high-volume surgeon generates $15,000 in annual revenue. So by achieving our next goal of 200 surgeon users, that translates to $3 million in annual revenue. We're starting off by targeting the $350 million US orthopedic surgical sutures market, which is part of a $600 million global segment. But our technology unlocks opportunities in the orthopedic soft tissue repair space, which is a $6 billion opportunity. We've already achieved significant milestones in product, regulatory, and commercialization. And now we're raising a $2 million Series A to accelerate sales, generate clinical evidence, and expand the EasyWhip product portfolio. Please contact me if you're interested in learning more and joining our journey to improve outcomes by making EasyWhip the future for suture.